Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Okay. You want to say Saraswati Namastubhyam also?
Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Yes, you can. You can continue.
Saraswati Namastubhyam.
Deva Rupini, Kama Rupini,
Gachami. Shri
Okay.
Achetaya.
Okay, students. Let's start the class. Please be on mute, everyone.
Yes,
Have muted everyone. There's a lot of disturbance. Okay. So, what concept are we learning in this week?
water.
We were learning about the concept water, right? And we are about to end this unit in this week. Okay. We have covered almost all the topics. And so let's revise all the topics once. Right? Okay. Now, can someone tell me the uses of water? We have learned so much about water, right, in this unit. Tell me the uses of water.
Uses of water.
Drinking.
Yes, drinking. One by one. One by one. Okay. Okay. Enough. Okay, let me summarize. So, we use water for drinking, bathing, cleaning, cooking, cleaning our pets, like watering the plants. For everything, we use water, right? And do you know how important water is to us? Yes, it is very important for our survival because we use water for each and everything in our day-to-day life, right? From the morning when we wake up, since the time we sleep, we use water for everything. For all the household chores also, we need water. Okay, so is it important to preserve water? Is it important or can we waste water? Can we waste water?
No, don't waste water.
Can we waste water? No, we should not waste water because it is very important for us and there is very little bit of water on the earth which we can use. Okay. So, as we all know, there's lot of water on our earth. Like the more than 3/4 part of our earth is filled with water. But can we use that water for our uses? No, we should not use that water because it is all salty water. Yes, very good. It is all salty water. So we can't use it for like drinking, bathing, cleaning. We can't use that water. So there's only very less amount of water on the earth which we can use for our uses. So we need to use the water properly. We should never waste water, right? And we also learned how to conserve water at home. Right, I've taught you in the last class, like whenever we brush our teeth, I've taught you, right, how we preserve water. Yes, do you remember? Do you remember all the pictures when we start brushing? Take the brush, wet your brush, then close your tap, then yes, right? So in that way, we need to preserve water. Okay. What else? And do you know what are the sources of water? Where do we get water from?
Rivers.
Yes. There are different sources of water. They are well, river, ocean, ponds, everything.
River, lake,
Yes, lake, everything. We get water from many sources. Okay.
Even is
And do you remember the story Shia saves water? Do you remember the story Shia saves water? Yes. What happened in that story? Did that girl waste water or save water? Yes. She saved water, right? Okay, let us. Ma'am, am I not the host? Malika ma'am, can you just make me co-host? Okay. So in that story, that girl saved water, right? Can you all open that story?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you open? Everyone open that story.
Rekha, I
Let
have
us-
already made you co-host.
not that ma'am, from the one I logged in from system.
1 minute.
Okay. So did you all open that story? In from the student reader. First open the vocabulary words page.
1 minute.
Vocabulary words page. Are you able to see the vocabulary words? Yes. What is the first word? It is leaking. The first word? Leaking. Yes. Leaky. And the next one is close. See, it is a picture of closing the tap. So that word is close. And the third word is garbage. Yes, garbage. So let us start reading the story. Part 13, Shia saves water. Okay. So what happened in the first picture? Shia closes the tap. Right? Look at the picture. That girl is closing the tap. And then what is she doing? Shia fixes the leaky tap because the tap was leaking. She has fixed the leaky tap. And then what did she do to save water? Shia keeps the water clean. Did she keep the water dirty? No. She didn't allow the water to be dirty. She always keeps the water clean. Okay. And how did she water the plants in the next picture? She uses a mug.
You can share, Rekha.
Okay, ma'am. She uses a mug to water plants. Okay. Yes, here she uses a mug to water the plants because she don't want to waste the water. That is the reason she is using a mug to water the plants, because if we use a pipe or something, so much of water gets wasted, right, while watering. That is the reason she is using a mug to water the plants. And then Shia uses a bin to throw garbage. Where is she throwing the garbage? She is throwing it in a bin. She is not throwing it in a water, because water gets spoiled or dirty if we throw garbage and whatever waste we throw in water, right? We should never throw the garbage or waste in water. Water gets dirty. Sorry? Who is that?
What is it?
I didn't get you. Who is that? Yes, Mokshita, what's your problem? Okay, let's
No
continue.
problem,
Mokshita,
ma'am.
please. Mokshita, please be on mute. Okay. Shia uses a bin to throw garbage, right? And the last one is Shia saves water. Yes, Shanvi, I've muted everyone. Yes, Shanvi, I've muted everyone. Now there will be no disturbance. Okay. So Shia saves water. In this way, this girl saves water. What all did she do? She closes a tap. Whenever the tap is open, she closes a tap. Whenever tap is leaking, she fixes the leaky tap. And then she uses a mug to water the plants. And then she never throws garbage in the water. Okay. In this way, the girl Shia is saving water. So you need to follow the same procedure. You should never throw garbage in the water, right? And you should make sure that all the what we say, all the taps in your home are perfect. They are not leaking. Okay, right. So let us move to the next topic. I want everyone to open
Ma'am.
Student Reader.
Ma'am.
Yes. Can you all open Student Reader SR9?
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Mokshita, what happened?
What happened? Who is that?
Mokshita, ma'am. What is this, Mokshita? If you have some problem, tell me. Yes, please open SR9 from your Student Reader.
Ma'am.
Yes, Mokshita, please tell me.
Mokshita, open up if you want to tell something. Tell say.
Okay, did you all open this page? Everyone? Okay. So, this page is about diagrams. So, let us start reading. Yes, Mokshit, what happened?
By mistake, ma'am.
Okay,
Nothing.
okay, ma'am. No problem. No problem. Okay, so look at the first picture. The first picture is thin. 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 So, what is the diagram here? It's th. Th. Yes, thin. Okay. And the next picture is 3. What is the diagram here? Here the diagram is th again. Right? Here the diagram is th. Th again. And the next one is thick. What is this word? It's thick. Right? And the diagram here is again th. Mokshita, this is the last warning. I don't want you to send any messages in the chat box, and please be on mute. Mokshita? Okay. Sorry for this. This is thick, right? TH. Th. The diagram here is th. And the next picture is thumb. This is thumb, and the diagram here is th again. Th. Thumb. And look at the next picture is whip. V. Diagram here is V. W-H. V. Whip. Okay. And the next picture is whack. I want everyone to read from your book. Look into your books and read with me. Okay. Whack. What is this? This is whack. And the diagram here is W-H. V. W-H. V. Right? And the next one is whisk. What is this word? This is whisk. Diagram here is V again. W-H. Okay. W-H. V. Whisk. Okay. And the last picture is what? What is it? What? And the diagram here is W-H. V. Right? V. Okay. So, this is all about this page. In this page, we have learnt about two digraphs, that is th and v. Okay, in the previous classes we have also learned other digraphs. What are they? Ch and sh, right? Ch, sh, th and v. These are the digraphs we have learned in this unit. Okay, ch with chain, chips, cheese, right? We have learned all these words like ch words. And coming to sh, sh, the words are shoes, sheep. What else? Ship. Yes, ship, shop. All these words are for the diagram sh.
Ma'am, ship shop, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Ship, shop, sheep, shoe, everything. And th. Th is thin, three, thick, thumb. All these are for th. And v. V is whip, whack, whisk, what, when, why, whale. All these words comes with diagram v. Okay. So, okay, these are the diagrams we have learned in this unit, and you will be having these for your assessment. Okay, you have the student reader, right? Try to read all the diagram words from your book after the class. Okay, so let us move to the next topic, that is next and last. Ma'am, is my screen clear? Okay.
Mommy.
Okay, so did you learn the concept next and last?
Yes, it is clear.
Okay. Did you learn the concept next and last? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, right? So let us do this once again. So I want you all to tell me what are these pictures here? What are you able to see? The first one is a potato. And then shout, please read after me. Okay. Potato, lemon, chili, onion, and tomato. Yes, and tomato. See, we have placed all these objects in an order. Now you need to tell me which is last. Which object is last?
Tomato.
Yes, good. Because it is placed in the last position. This is the last. Okay, listen. This is the last position, right? This is the last position. So tomato is in the last. Okay. Now coming to the next, you need to tell me what is next to lemon. Next means, do you know what is the word next means? Next means after. Yes, after. Next means after. So tell me. Yes. What is after lemon? Chili. Chili is after lemon. Next to lemon. Okay. Next to lemon. Now, what is next to onion? What is, yes. Tomato is next to onion. Okay. Tomato is next to onion. Now, what is next to potato?
Lemon.
Lemon. Good. Lemon is next to potato. Next means after. Because the lemon is after potato, it is next to potato. Right? See, lemon is next to potato. Chili is next to lemon. Onion is next to chili, and tomato is next to onion. And which is last in this sequence, in this picture? Which is last? Yes, very good. Very good. Tomato is last. So are you clear with this concept next and last? Last means which is placed after everything, last, and next means after. Okay. Let us look at one more example. Look at this picture. There are few shapes. What is the first shape? This is star. This is Heart shape. Heart shape. This is circle. And this is
Pentagon.
yes. And this is yes. And the last one is yes. This is pentagon, and the last one is circle. Circle. This is circle only, not oval. Circle in yellow. Okay. So which is last in this picture? Which shape is last? Yes. Yellow circle is last. Right? Yellow circle is last. And what is next to star? What is next to star? Heart shape. Yes, heart shape is next to a star. And what is next to heart shape? A red circle. A red circle is next to heart shape. Yes, heart shape. Red circle is next to heart shape. Okay. Are you clear with this concept? Clear? Next and last. Right? Okay, good. Very good. So, this is today's class. So we have revised what are the uses of water, what is the importance of water. We have revised the story Shia saves water, right? We have read few words about digraph th and v, and then we have revised the concept next and last, right? As I mentioned, this is the last week for this unit. We are going to end this unit. What was the name of this unit? What was the name of this unit? Huh? Yes. The name of this unit was water, and we have learned so much about water, and you all know now the importance of water and how we should preserve and why we should preserve water. Okay. So I'll tell you what are the topics for this assessment. What are the topics we are going to cover for this assessment? We'll be giving you a syllabus copy again, but let me tell you in brief. Okay, coming to literacy, we have learned in the previous units, 5th and 6th units, we have learned blends, right? Sna, sta, ska, sla, sma, spa. Okay, did we all learn this blend? Do you remember? Sna with snap, sta with stop, ska with skip. Yes, right? You need to revise. George, why are you sleeping? Sit properly, be attentive. Okay, I want you all to revise all these blends. See, just open your student reader and workbook and start reading from today. Okay, blends and the sight words, them, now, like, first. We have learnt all these sight words also, right? And then digraphs. Blends, digraphs and sight words from literacy. And in EVS, we have learnt about sources of food and eat well plate, what is healthy food and what is junk food, and why it is important to have a healthy diet. We have learnt all these topics, right? Just open your book, start revising all these concepts. Okay. And in numeracy, we have learnt numbers from 61 to 70, a number named 20, ordinal numbers, counting by fives, counting by tens, and addition concept, comparison like greater than, less than. We have learned that concept through a story, Crocodile's Open Mouth, right? Comparison, which is greater, which is more, and we have learned about a symbol, equal. Do you remember equal symbol? Yes or no? And we have learned few patterns, ABBCC and ABCC pattern. Okay. So these are all the concepts for the coming assessment. So be prepared. We'll give you a syllabus copy once again, but then you start preparing from now itself. And I have given you a task in the yesterday's evening class. Did you all complete it? I wanted everyone to write something.
Yes, madam.
Yes, what was that?
1 to 100, ma'am.
Good, 1 to 100. Did you all complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me? Just a second, show me a book. Sure, Jashwita will be sharing that with you. Just for a briefing, I have told you so that you can start preparation. We'll send you the syllabus copy and timetable in some time. Okay, yes. Yes, Guru Devansh. I'll check everyone. Just wait. I'll check everyone. Yes, Guru Devansh, very good. Good, Guru Devansh. Rikshit, very good. Vaibhav, very good. Manogna, you didn't show me? Right? Okay, Chaturya, very good. Harita, good. Good, Harita. Kartikeya, very good. Well, Nitish, okay. Suvid, good. Adya, very good. Mokshit Sairam, good. Yes, Ritvika, I'm coming. Wait. Yes, Ritvika, very good. Harvesh, good. And Jashwita, you didn't show me. Harvesh, good, Harvesh. Jashwita, you didn't do? Mokshit, yes, Mokshit, very good, Mokshit.
Inform about today's activity, na?
Good.
Wait.
Yeah, ma'am. Oh, yeah, ma'am, I'll do it. Okay, Mokshit, good. Mokshit Sairam, very good. And there are few students who are not showing me. Yes, Bhavesh, very good, Bhavesh. Sana, you didn't show me.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, Bhavesh, good.
I show you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Yes, George. Good, George. Very good. Nice. Okay. So this way you need to practice everything. Whenever we give you something, you need to write. Okay. Right. Today I want everyone to open the student reader and read all the blend words, blends and diagrams. Open your like workbook and student reader and read all the words. Okay. Look at the pictures and try to read the words. And in the evening class, we'll be doing an... Yes, who is that?
Manogna, ma'am.
Yeah, Manogna. Very good, Manogna. So, who is that who raised the hand? Chaturya, what happened? Yes, Bhavesh, what happened? Okay, Bhavesh. Nice. Very good. Very good. Okay. Let me inform you something. In the evening class, we are going to do an activity on sources of water. Okay. For that activity, I want you all to be ready with 2 blue papers and 1 white paper. I have informed you yesterday, right? A4 sheet, 2 blue papers and a white paper. If you don't have a blue paper, just color the white paper with blue color. That will also do. Okay. Excited to do the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Jashwita, no problem. I just informed about the resources for the activity. That is, you need to get 2 blue papers and 1 white paper for the evening activity, and let her write the numbers today. Ask her to complete the numbers today 1 to 100. Okay. So, shall we end the class now? This is all about today's class. Let me know if you have any doubts. Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Stop sending messages. Okay.
No, ma'am.
If no doubt,
No,
with perfect.
Yes,
With,
ma'am.
with perfect with everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So others, if you have any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, we'll end it. Sorry, ma'am.
Can you tell anything to show them in the evening activity, ma'am? At like writing anything, 5s or 10s, like any activities.
Okay.
Write
Not
and show you in the
activity.
evening.
I wanted them to read the words, ma'am. Literacy. Read all the blend words. Reading part for today.
Blends చదవాలంట ఈవినింగ్ అడుగుతారని రీడింగ్
Whatever
అంటారు
picture I show you, you need to just like quickly చెప్పాలి. నేను picture చూపించగానే you need to read that word and tell me.
Mama.
You can do that only if you practice at home. Okay, open your book, start reading all those words. Only then you'll be able to answer whichever picture I show you.
బ్లెండ్స్ ఉందా
Okay, I'll ask each and everyone.
అవి అవన్నీ చదవాలంట
Ma'am.
Yes, who is that? Is Bhavesh?
Bhavesh, ma'am.
Yes, Bhavesh, tell me.
I don't have books, ma'am.
You don't have books?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, what shall we do then? You didn't get your books from school? Okay, no problem. I will give you the syllabus copyright. You can learn from that. Okay, okay, don't worry. Now, shall we end the session here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See you all in the evening class. Bye-bye.
Bye.